Mitch, I told you I can't talk right now. I'm going into a meeting. What? Is the coffee machine broken again? Alright, okay, Mitch, calm down. I know you can handle this, okay? Alright, I'll talk to you when it's done. Okay, please.
Hey, Will the man, what's happening, bro? You good?
Hey, don't embarrass me, man.
What's happening?
Can I get my usual?
Okay, cool, got you. Ooh, Will the man. Have a great day, man.
Is that a...
Oh yeah, that's the Henlo machine. Check this out, right? We didn't even have to pay deposit. The rent's on 4,800 a month. And here's the thing, no deposit required. Oh, listen to this. The Henlo machine actually provides training to my baristas as they're using it. And watch this. The steam ones actually turn themselves off when it reaches the desired temperature, making the milk texture just right. No more guesswork.
Thanks, Dave.
Hey, you have access to the Henlo team anytime.
Hey, Mitch. I have a plan.